Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tusankine. If this is your first time stopping, how are you guys doing? Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. How are you guys doing? Today is a beautiful Tuesday and I am adventuring in Ghana. So today I'm doing something, well, you can already tell by the title, but let's pretend like you don't already know. So today I'm going on an adventure and I'm bringing you guys along as usual. So yeah, let's go do this beautiful adventure. So right now we just go to the place where the car cannot go any further, and so this is where the hike starts. And then we're going to, after the hike, we're going to see something beautiful after that. So stick and stay. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, let's get straight on with this video. Hi guys. sorry that I am breathing so heavily while I am walking down this hike, but I just wanted to update you guys real quick. So when we came here, the clouds started turning gray, right babe? They started turning gray and we're like, what? It can't be raining when we are going to the waterfall. Like, what is this? Come on. So luckily the sun came out and we're like, you know what, this is the only chance we can get. So we decided to take the opportunity while the sun is out and just go for it. As you can see, the clouds are dark and we're still gonna go and just cross our fingers and hope that it doesn't rain, because what we are hiking for and what we are about to see is so breathtaking that you guys cannot afford to miss. So you guys should watch this video to the end, because you know me, I always bring you guys adventure. Let's go.
It's my birthday, guys.
Oh so yeah, I'm so sorry, I didn't forget. I didn't think he would want to say it here. So have you guys noticed also that we normally do waterfalls on our birthday? On my birthday I did this waterfall Asenema. You guys should check it out as well if you haven't watched it. And today on his birthday we're doing something special, so you guys should watch till the end.
Right. And make sure you subscribe, guys.
Subscribe. So there's a pay point. I thought it was free. I legit thought it was free, but anyway, we are halfway. And as it says, welcome to Adom Waterfall. And this is the pay point.
Well, can you hear the waterfall?
So I don't know if there's two sides. There's that side and then there's this side, right? So we're going to go start with this side first. I'm tired. Let's go. Now I'm going to introduce you to the people I'm with in a bit.
Very soon.
This is Tum Tum.
I am Tum Tum.
Yes.
Tuntum.
Yes, tell them who you are.
Hey, who am I?
Have the extraordinaire, is it?
Yep. What's cracking? What's up, guys?
What's cracking?
So it's a bit scary and nerve-wracking for me again, but I'm not so scared because I'm with these guys. Yeah, the big boys. I'm chilling with the big boys. Let's go. Doing everything is so hard. I have to film back both the front, the back, me, the saints. Guys, you need to be watching all my ads, okay? Watch my ads and please don't skip my ads, because yo, the things I do for my people. My mom has been sending me messages saying that I'm doing too much adventures. So do you guys think I should stop? So I mean, my mom says I should first just hold on small. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. But
You love it? You start.
I can hear the waterfall, so I think we're close. Let's go. And it's all the way down because we just keep going down. There's so many steps. Let me show you. So now let me show you. So we're here at the waterfall, but today unfortunately the waterfalls are not so strong, but it's still fine. There's still like a pool there that Chance the Rapper has been to, so I'm gonna put myself in there as well. But yeah, so this is what we have, and we have Mood there, we have Tuntun and Harry, and this is the place. It's a little bit creepy though, like I wouldn't find myself here by myself, but with friends like this, for sure I will do it. But so far, this is it. And let me just take a few cameos and pictures, and then I'm going to show you guys from the pool in there, because I'm going in, of course.
But the thing, because my feet get further, usually it's too easy for me. Ooh, you look nice. Okay, Mr. Alright. Such a vibe, bro.
Are you coming?
Yeah.
It's just a shame that the waterfall is not so much. But this is it. Yeah, and if it was to be much, I don't think I would have been all the way. It's not like Asenema, but I'm sure at its peak days, it's like heavy. But anyway, I just came all the way this side because, I mean, this is where Chance the Rapper was stepping. So like, I'm stepping where Chance the Rapper was stepping, so you can't tell me anything else. I'm just kidding. But anyway, it's been a fun day so far, but this is it. This is the waterfall, and we're just going to be here still swimming and just enjoying the vibes. So the name of this waterfall is Adom Waterfall, and it's located, where is it located in? It's located in Tutu, just right after Aburi, so it's not that far from Accra. You definitely can do this on the weekend, because today is a Tuesday and we're here. I mean, we're having fun on a Tuesday. That means that you guys can come every day. I mean, it's his birthday, so waterfall tradition done. Now on to other things. Guys, I just finished the day today at Adom Waterfall. Like I kept on saying, the water was not too much. So anyway, we're done. It's getting late, and it's dark here. When it gets dark here, you can't see anything, so you have to hurry up and get out of here. But thank you so much, Adom Waterfall. You've been good. And yeah, let's go explore the other place upstairs. I didn't show you guys earlier because we were rushing to come to the waterfall, but now I want to show you guys what you can do other than, you know, coming to see the waterfall here in Adom Waterfall. This is just, you know, something random for you guys, from me to you. Guys, be warned. Descending is different from ascending, bro. I don't know, in this moment I'm thinking, am I fit? Because I'm always acting like I'm fit, and I always thought I was fit, but after coming here I think I'm not fit, because yo, what the hell? Okay, we're finally here. Let me stop being dramatic. Finally up. The walk up is not a joke. I'm so tired, as you can tell. I'm sweaty. We just walked all the way. Obviously I can't show you. I mean, I'm sorry, but I was supposed to show you a bit earlier where you could see, but here obviously you won't see. So finally by the car, it was a great adventure. Short and disappointing because the waterfall was not massive. It wasn't a lot, but it's okay, we still had fun. So I'm going to have some fufu and then go home, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.